This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, August the 21st, 2015, and now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. Pretty much a zonal flow across the country. That's going to bring the temperatures up a little bit more than they were yesterday, so we should see readings well into the 70s and maybe a few lower 80s, with mostly sunny skies around. You'll see any precipitation will be off to our south, and with the next disturbance that's going to be moving through pretty much the southern part of Canada, and that's the one that's going to be coming into our area late tomorrow night, Saturday night, into Sunday morning. And here on Saturday, you can see the Gulf begins to open up. There could be an isolated shower or storm in our western county Saturday afternoon, but it looks to hold out that the better chances will be Saturday evening into Saturday night and into the early part of Sunday. Some of the storms in the afternoon and evening could be strong to severe in our far northwestern counties. Better chances further to the north than that. Then that system swings through Sunday morning, as I said. It will turn cooler here on Sunday, back into the 70s to around 80. Same goes for Monday. And then after that, it's looking fairly dry for some time after that across the area. And we'll go through these maps fairly, well, slowly as we normally do. We see Monday here. Here's Tuesday, still dry, maybe about a degree or two warmer, maybe mid-70s to lower 80s across the state. It will be comfortable. It's not going to be overly hot or even humid at this rate, but we'll keep watching. Wednesday, this is where there could be a slight change. There's a little system that's over the plain states, especially in Kansas. This could just come into the state, mainly in our southwestern counties. That could bring a little bit of showery activity, maybe Wednesday night, maybe Thursday. But as you can see, it really doesn't have enough oomph to move to the east because of this high pressure system that's over the Great Lakes. That's going to keep us dry and somewhat seasonal for this time of the year. And unfortunately, as we go into next Friday, the 28th, you can see a ridge is beginning to take shape over the south. That's beginning to move the storm track up into Canada. And unfortunately, looking at the extended period, which we're about to show you, it's looking like it could last quite a while. You can see a system trying to come in here on Friday, maybe a shower or storm, and this is a fairly small chance, and if you look at the extended, this may be one of the few chances we'll see in the next 2 weeks. Because here's the 1st of September, and this does not look like a map you'd see on the 1st of September. Big ridge over the area, centered somewhere around Kansas City or maybe a bit south of there. Most of the activity staying ways away from us. Maybe some activity in the far northwest. A little bit of mountain shower and storm activity with the afternoon heating going on out there. A little bit of activity out in the East Coast, but fairly dry across the country. It doesn't look like it's going to be that's going to change until this map. This is the end of the forecast on the 5th of September, which happens to be Labor Day weekend. The ridge is now shunted off to the south and east. Now a system's coming in from the north and west. This possibly could bring us some shower and thunderstorm activity at that time. Possibly. Because tomorrow we could possibly see this gone. So we'll just wait and see. But there's a lot of cold air diving in behind this system. Satellite image from last evening doesn't show that. It shows quite a bit of clear skies across quite a bit of the country. A little bit of cloudiness across the south and southeast. System moving off the New England coast with some showers and storms there. And our next system off to the northwest is coming in, but right now there's nothing out there, just a bunch of red flag warnings and air quality alerts because of a lot of wildfires going on out there. Some flash flood issues around Philadelphia, but much of the country looks to be fairly quiet. But the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days, mainly this is only through about, we'll say this is just the rainfall we're going to get Saturday night into Sunday, maybe a half an inch, a little bit more in our western counties where the storms are going to be developing.